These vintage photos of beauties from the past will blow your mind. What was it like to live in a world where elegance and grace ruled the day? We'll show you rare moments that you won't find in history books. Forget what you thought you knew about beauty in the past. These stunning images reveal a world lost to time. Are you ready to see what true beauty looked like back then? Look at these captivating faces. In the past, beauty had a natural charm that we rarely see today. Their clothes, their hair, and their delicate features tell a story of elegance that transcends time. Each woman here is a glimpse into a world where beauty was more than just appearance. It was a lifestyle. Look at the way they pose. These women knew how to carry themselves with poise and confidence. Even without the technology we have today, they managed to capture the essence of beauty in every frame. It's like peering into a different era where true grace never goes out of style. Love seeing these vintage moments of beauty? Become a YouTube sponsor. Your support helps us find and share more stunning photos and forgotten stories from the past. Check out the fashion of the time. Every dress was carefully crafted and each piece of clothing had meaning. Women in these photos weren't just dressed, they were styled with care and grace. Imagine walking down the streets of that era, surrounded by such timeless elegance. Want to dive even deeper into the beauty of the past? Join us on Patreon for exclusive content, behind-the-scenes photos, and much more. Your support keeps these rare treasures alive. The world of the past may be gone, but through these photos, we can still feel its beauty. These images remind us of how much style, elegance, and grace have evolved over time. As we look back, we can't help but wonder what else has been forgotten in the name of progress. If you enjoyed this journey through history, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support allows us to keep uncovering beautiful moments from the past.